Apple is planning a major update to the iPad Pro for next year. The new iPad Pros will have slightly larger OLED displays and a revamped Magic Keyboard. They will feature M3 chips. The new Magic Keyboard will have a larger trackpad to make the iPad Pro more like a laptop. Apple will release the new iPad Pro in the spring or summer of next year. No updates to the devices are planned between now and then. Tesla has won permit approval for its diner and drive-in movie Supercharger in Los Angeles. The site will house 32 Supercharger stalls, a restaurant, rooftop seating, and 2 movie theater screens. It was originally going to be built in Santa Monica. A copy of the approval documents is available in the article. IBM's latest AI chip is more than a dozen times as energy efficient as conventional microchips on automated transcription tasks. It is capable of 12.4 trillion operations per second per watt. When tested on speech recognition tasks, the chip was able to perform as accurately as neural networks run on conventional hardware while completing the job 7 times as fast and up to 14 more efficiently. The chip can support transformers and may be beneficial for many types of AI systems. There are no empty spaces within an atom. The empty atom picture often shown in popular science is incorrect. It is unclear who created the myth, but it was popularized in Carl Sagan's Cosmos TV series. This essay explains why the idea of an empty atom is wrong by carefully interpreting quantum theory. This repository contains a GitHub profile template that can be forked for personal use. The template provides a quick overview of the user's skills and activity across GitHub and other platforms using animated graphs and other components. This post outlines the engineering techniques that WhatsApp used to scale quickly. WhatsApp was able to support 50 billion messages a day from 450 million daily active users with only 32 engineers. The company focused on messaging, its core feature, and eliminated feature creep at all costs. With this focus, the team was able to prioritize reliability over everything else. This article looks at the history of North Korean sci-fi and how it changed throughout the decades. North Korean sci-fi has its roots in Soviet literature. Kim Il-sung, the founder of North Korea, thought that literature could be used to push propaganda and recommended that authors translate Soviet works. They were also told to write their own stories depicting a thriving communist society. WordPress has a new plan that allows users to register and host their websites for a century. It is aimed at providing companies and families a way to preserve content beyond a generation. The plan includes unmetered bandwidth and 24/7 personalized support. It costs $38,000. WordPress will keep multiple backups of the content across distributed data centers. The group had plans to transform tens of thousands of acres to create a city that would generate thousands of jobs and be as walkable as Paris. X has rolled out its hiring feature in beta and job postings are already showing up on some accounts. Neutrinos are tiny and neutrally charged particles that are estimated to be some of the most abundant particles in the universe, but observing them has so far proved to be highly challenging. Instacart's IPO may be the first significant venture-backed tech IPO since December 2021. Sand is abundant and able to store energy with almost no limits. This article contains excerpts from a live discussion about the path to commercialization of chiplets with several major figures in the industry.